In another star system, a Pluto-like world survived until the bitter end. For the first time, astronomers have observed something like a Pluto. https mashable.com article Pluto Ocean World Heart colliding with a white dwarf. https mashable.com article James Webb Space Telescope Planetary Nebula Star, the shriveled corpse of a medium-sized star. The white dwarf, dubbed WD 1647 plus 375, is about 260 light-years. https mashable.com article James Webb Space Telescope Planetary Nebula Star, away. /mashable.com article How long is a light-year? Away from Earth in space. https mashable.com category Space. Despite its distance, this dead star's realm might have had striking similarities to our own solar system, including something akin to a Kuiper Belt, a disk past Neptune of comets. https mashable.com article What is a comet? Facts and icy dwarf planets. mashable.com article New dwarf planet discovery, solar system beyond Pluto. According to new research, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope made the discovery by playing the part of a crime scene detective. By studying the material falling onto the white dwarf, scientists could reconstruct what kinds of planets and other cosmic objects, their ingredients, sizes, and compositions probably orbited the star. Put another way, the trash around a white dwarf tells researchers a lot about the exoplanets a star once had. I've been absolutely thrilled that we now identified a system that resembles the objects in the frigid outer edges of our solar system, said Boris Gensicki, the Hubble program's principal investigator and a University of Warwick researcher, in a statement. /science.nasa.gov/missions/Hubble/NASA's Hubble sees white dwarf eating piece of Pluto-like object. Measuring the composition of an exo-Pluto is an important contribution toward our understanding of the formation and evolution of these bodies. The new findings, https academic.oup.com/MNRAS article lookup dial 10.1093/MNRAS staff 14.4, suggest icy bodies in the outskirts of a planetary system may be able to survive for a long time after its star has run out of fuel. This may even provide insight into what will come of our own solar system after the Sun. https mashable.com/hot is sun NASA dies. The results were published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. Normally, when a medium-sized star dies, it blasts away the bulk of material in its system. The Hubble discovery was surprising to astronomers because most would predict the distant icy worlds to be destroyed or cast out long before the star reached the white dwarf stage. But in this case, Hubble observed the debris around the white dwarf in ultraviolet light and saw the chemical fingerprints of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and water ice, similar to the mix of elements found on Pluto. Because white dwarfs have simple atmospheres, mostly hydrogen and helium, https://mashable.com/article/James Webb Space Telescope, first-generation stars. The team knew any heavier elements detected there had to have come from something else crashing into the dead star, according to the paper. Mashable light speed. We know that Pluto's surface is covered with nitrogen ices, said Snellita Sahu, a University of Warwick astronomer and the paper's first author, in a statement. We think that the white dwarf accumulated fragments of the crust and mantle of a dwarf planet.